What's going on, guys? So don't know exactly how I titled everything, but we're just gonna check the truck out real quick. Man, this thing looks freaking righteous with these 24x14s on there. I think it looks better in person than it does in video. Obviously not the paint and whatnot, but just the truck. It freaking, man, it looks so daggum good. But we're gonna get this old dusty girl moved over, and I'm gonna show y'all what this video is about. So let's crank this thing up. Look at all these cat prints. It's dirty. Wide, boy. Let's see if I can get up in here. Alright guys, so we're going to be talking about the taillights, so I figured I'd do a little walk around before we get to that. Got their old red taillights, third brake light. Just get that picture in your head. Let's get this thing pulled up to the basement and check it out. Alright guys, so some of y'all might have already guessed it from the thumbnail, but these were factory option taillights. Look, yeah, this one's broken. Got a boo-boo, but should open the other box rip. But look at that. Factory, I don't know if they came specifically factory on this truck. The dude I bought from said it did, but I hadn't looked at the whatever it's called, the window sticker. I guess that'd be real smart if I had of, and I have looked at it, but I haven't went into detail on specifically looking for this. So I don't know if it came on this truck specifically, but these were factory options on these trucks. So we're actually going to put them in just to see what they look like, because I think it's pretty hilarious. But you know, a lot of people do the whole whiteout theme, you know, color match everything. So these are from 1997, so let's throw them on there and see. There we have it. So I don't know if they've been repainted or what. They have obviously are. They're probably just really dirty. They need, I don't know, sanding, repainting, but they obviously don't match perfectly. That's a pretty wild look, not gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and swap this other one out. I know it's broken, but just for video's sake, I'm gonna swap it out and then pull the truck back out, and let's take a look at it where we can walk around it. All right, guys, what do y'all think? I honestly like it from a distance, that is. I'll explain why that is in a minute, but I think that looks pretty tough. I kind of like how it's just got the little taillight slit. I think that's pretty dirty. Well, I don't think I would run it all the time. But definitely I'm glad I put it on for this video because I think that's pretty sweet looking. Obviously, like I said before, paint is not exact same shade. Like I said, they've been in those boxes forever, so probably has something to do with it. Or just bad paint on it, whatever the case. But it's pretty, I don't know. I dig it. I think it's so different that it's weird. It's cool. It's weird, but it's cool. So that's the money shot right there. Got the sunset in the background. So y'all comment down below. Let me know if your truck has these or came with them, or if you've seen them before, or if this is something you've never even heard of. I really hadn't. I've seen them on a couple of, stock ones before, but never really paid them any attention. But that's pretty cool, factory thing. They're just little stick-on covers on the taillight, so it's not like they're anything real fancy, but I'll have to look into it tonight to see exactly what trim they came on or what package or whatever it is. But it was some package that they could come in, and I'm sure a couple other things were color matched, whatever it might be, but definitely interesting. But I do think from a distance, it's pretty sweet looking. Maybe not from the side as much, but I definitely do like it from the back. I think that's pretty cool looking. Pretty cool. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll catch you on the next one.